Behind you.
Yes.
No, it's a Marc train.
It's a Marc.
And Saudi? Bring them cars to Bondrick. Oh, there's my brakes on that one.
It's a Marc? Oh my goodness! I can't believe that Marc train came in here fast. It was a Saturday, man. It was Saturday, right?
Yeah, I just spent the brakes. Huh, I think I know why he's going. He's going to probably go to...
P947 westbound with Marc number 87.
Marc 77?
87, that's the number.
787. Marc 7 say 87, yeah.
Marc P947, I think you said.
Yeah, you can go on YouTube, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4. End of transmission.